Questions and answers. 1.
How many emails are sent every year?
Over 90 trillion. Isn't that amazing?
2.
How many questions are answered by Google every day?
Nearly 5.5 billion. It's incredible.
3.
When was eBay invented?
In 1995,
Who was it invented by?
a French scientist called Pierre Omidyar.
4.
How many items have been sold on eBay since it began?
5 billion. Actually, 5 billion and one. I've just bought something.
5.
How many films are posted on YouTube every week?
60,000 new videos every week.
6.
When was the first Twitter message sent?
In 2006,
Who was it sent by?
an American businessman called Jack Dorsey.
7.
How many languages has Facebook been translated into?
76, and there'll be more.
8.
When was Amazon.com founded?
In 1994,
Who was it founded by?
Jeff Bezos.
1.
Do you ever play computer games?
No, but my nephew does, all the time.
2.
Which websites do you visit most often?
Google, Wikipedia and BBC Recipes. I get all my recipes online now.
3.
Do you send a lot of text messages?
I do. It's a great way to make arrangements. I text all the time.
4.
Who does the most housework in your home?
Not me. My mum always says, "Oh, I'll do it. You're so slow."
5.
What size shoes do you take?
36. We've got small feet in our family.
6.
How do you like your steak?
I like it rare. I don't like it well done.
7.
Is your school well equipped?
Not really, but I think we're getting interactive whiteboards soon.
It drives me crazy.
Hi, Jack. Over here. How was your journey?
Oh, not good. Not good at all.
Why was that?
Well, there was this girl in the seat behind, and she was talking loudly on her mobile phone the whole journey. I know everything about her life. I even know what she's going to wear when she goes out on Saturday night. And I know what she's not going to wear.
That drives me mad too. You know, not long ago, trains had quiet carriages where you couldn't use your mobile phone.
Well, they don't anymore. I couldn't read my paper with her yakking behind me. She told the same thing to at least 4 friends. Then I had this kid opposite me with his mother.
What was he doing to annoy you?
He had one of these mini computer things.
A Game Boy?
Yeah, one of those. And he was head down playing this thing all the time. Zing, ping, bang. All those noises coming from it. He never looked up once. When his mum asked him to say hello, he just grunted. So impolite.
I know. Kids these days, they're so badly behaved. Did you book your ticket online this time?
I tried to.
What happened?
Well, I followed the instructions one by one and got right to the end, and it asked me for my password. Password? I didn't know I had one for train travel, so I thought, OK, I'll ring instead.
Maybe not the best idea.
No. So I rang the train company, and of course I got the usual recorded message. You know the type of thing. I'm afraid all our operators are busy at the moment. Then music and thank you for holding. I'm afraid our operators are still busy. And more music. So I gave up. I bought a ticket at the station.
It drives you mad, doesn't it? Life's too short to spend so long on the phone. Still, I usually do enjoy travelling by train.
Me too, usually. It's better than driving. I hate driving into town these days. There's too much traffic. It's just jam after jam. And it's impossible to find a parking space. Parking's a nightmare. And car parks and parking meters are so expensive.
I know. I remember when you could park all day for 50p. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's get a coffee.
OK, but not Starbucks. I can't stand Starbucks.
Why? I like the coffee.
It's the size of the cups. They're all huge. Even the small one is too big for me. And the biggest is so big, it's enormous. And there's so much choice. Latte, skinny latte, soya latte, cappuccino, frappuccino, single shot, double shot.
OK, modern life. There's a small coffee bar around the corner. Let's go there.
1. Brian and Adam.
Sorry, Brian, you're breaking up. I couldn't hear that.
I know, Adam, it's not a good line. But listen, I'm calling because I can't make it on Thursday. Are you free on Friday?
Friday, I'm not sure. Can I get back to you?
Sure, that's fine. Text me. Speak later.
2. Adam and Carol.
Hello, Carol. It's Adam. I'm trying to get hold of Brian.
I'm afraid he's not in. Have you tried his mobile?
Yeah, I tried that first, but he's not answering.
It's probably switched off.
Can you give him a message, then?
Of course.
3. Emma, Donna, Flora.
I'm afraid Brian's line's busy. Would you like to hold?
Yes, please.
It's ringing for you now.
Thank you.
Hello, Brian Doyle's office. Flora speaking.
This is Emma Smith from Digby and Moss Associates.
Oh, good morning, Miss Smith. I'll put you through immediately.
4. Flora and Carol.
Hi, Flora. Can I speak to Brian, please?
Oh, I'm afraid he has someone with him at the moment. Is it urgent?
Just tell him Carol rang and I'll see him this evening.
Will do. I hope there isn't a problem.